Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Grampion here. I hope you're well. Today I got a quick video for you to hopefully answer some of your questions. I had a lot of messages since I've released a video of demo and review of my scissor lift. So a lot of you have been asking what they do about the sport cars or lower cars to get them on there, because obviously on the lower cars to get on, the bumper can hit it a little bit when you go on the ramps. And also once you're on there, obviously the wheels stay on the concrete and it's hard to get the rubber blocks under the side sills. So to answer that question, what I've been doing in the beginning was using some blocks of wood, which is not really ideal. It's not the safest option, but I found the best alternative for that and the best product you can get on the market at the moment. So this is LiftMotive for European market, or LiftGiant UK, obviously for the UK market. So LiftMotive produces this from solid rubber, which is, I'm pretty sure, the only product in the whole world that is solid rubber. And the benefit of that is that obviously it's basically a lifetime product. It's not gonna crack, because a lot of eBay stuff that you see, some low entry stuff, it's plastic and it can crack over the time. I've seen some reviews saying people that it cracked, obviously depending on what you use it for. But anyway, this is solid. You got two handles there, so it's easy to pick it up and move it around. It weighs about 22 kilos, so it is heavy, but again, it needs to be, because it's a solid product. I mean, you're not going to be walking around with it all the time. So they are about 62 mil. Yeah, they're about 62 millimeters high, which is pretty handy. The reason I'm saying this is because you can also use it on two-post lift to help getting your car on there. Like I said, they are solid, they don't move, so it's easy, and you got plenty of room here to put your actual wheels on it. So it's easy to get the car on the two-post as well, to get the arms under it. So it's up to you, obviously, if you want to use it for that or not. The main purpose today is the scissor lift, and that's what we're going to show you now, how to use it on that. Right guys, on the unboxing, I mean, it's pretty easy. You literally got one box per unit, and just open it up. This is where the handles come really handy. It makes it a lot easier to move them about. Straight away, the quality is actually really good. The rubber, it's a solid rubber. I like the effect they got here on the LiftMotive imprint. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so far, pretty impressed with the quality. Can't wait to drive the car on, see how that fits as well with the lift. Right guys, so to install them is nice and easy. Obviously, lift them bits up first. Basically, it's like an extension in the end of the day. So just place it down. And because of the cutout that they got on them, it's perfect to secure this on there. So just adjust it properly. So as you can see guys, it fits in there perfectly. That is spot on, same on all four sides. Right guys, as you can see, that's amazing. It's on there, nothing moved. Really easy. It didn't feel any different driving it on there. If anything, it felt a lot easier because obviously you haven't got that steep bit to go over. So they're still all in place, looking good, and the gap is brilliant. There's a huge gap for me to get the blocks under there now. So obviously, like I say, it helps a lot with not only driving the car on there without damaging it, but also obviously giving you so much more extra room to get the blocks, decent sized blocks in there, and to lift the car properly and safely. So this is just quickly to show you how everything's sitting in there, and look how much higher we are on there. So much extra room to get the rubber blocks under there, under your seals. Makes life so much easier. As you can see, none of this stuff has moved. Everything is solid, everything's in place how it was. Just going to show you the front one as well. That's all looking good. Right, so rubber blocks are under there. Let's see how it goes up. That's pretty good. Sweet. Right guys, just to show you quickly, obviously the pads are still there, nothing moved, and the clearance that you got now thanks to the vehicle being reasonable when we put it on, so seals are far off, so that's perfect, nice and safe to work on, not going to damage body work, and I got plenty of room now to work, so that's all looking good. The front ones are still in place as well. Obviously when we're going to go down, the wheels on this scissor lift will just slide back in there in the cutout, which is great. This is the best thing about this, so they shouldn't move at all. We're going to find out that in a second. Right, so let's drop it down now. Lovely, look at that. That is spot on. Literally nothing has moved. Just so you can see guys, was it down? Look, that slid in there perfectly. Nothing has moved. That's all looking good as well. So we just get the rubber pads out of there now and I can drive the car off. So everything's spot on. Both sides look the same. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Right guys, I think this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. I mean, it's not really that hard to install them. Just to let you know, this obviously works with any scissor lift that you can get on the market, not just the twin bush one. The link is in the description below for LiftMotive, which is the manufacturer and the supplier in Europe, and LiftGiant, who provides them in UK. So do have a look, and they got a lot of other equipment on there as well for the workshops. And yeah, I'm really happy. The quality is amazing, and like I said previously, I will be using it probably on my 2-post sometimes as well when I got low entry cars. So it will lift them up. It will make it easier for me to get the arms under there or the pads. But yeah, it works spot on there. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.